Welcome to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3 rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week, we have new product announcements from Atlas O, Lionel, MTH, RMT, and more. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Atlas O and MTH trains will be cooperating on a very limited production model of the Nickel Plate Express passenger train, featuring MTH Alco PAs and Atlas O passenger cars. Prices and availability have not yet been determined. Follow the link in the video description for more information. Lionel Trains has announced the production of an exclusive PS2 covered hopper in Aberdeen, Carolina, and Western colors for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association. The cars feature an early order price of $99.99 each and are scheduled for delivery in late 2024. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive RailKing O-Gauge Husky Stack car in the first of 4 Santa Fe schemes for Patrick's Trains. Available in 2 individual car numbers, each container features unique 2-sided graphics, all produced in extremely limited quantities. They will be available for delivery beginning in July 2024. The early order price is $79.99 plus freight. In addition to the collection of Christmas trains announced last week, MTH Electric Trains will also be producing a collection of limited edition North Pole releases beginning this fall, including a North Pole ES44 AC diesel for $439.95, a matching extended vision caboose for $89.95, a North Pole Alco PA diesel for $399.95, a matching 2-car 60-foot sleeper and diner passenger car set for $209.95, a matching 4-car 60-foot passenger car set with LED lights for $419.95, a matching 60-foot streamlined coach with LED lights for $109.95, a matching 60-foot full-length Vista Dome car with LED lights for $114.95, a bump-and-go trolley with LED lights for $109.95, a non-illuminated North Pole boxcar for $64.95, a North Pole boxcar with LED lights for $79.95, a North Pole gondola with illuminated snowmen for $84.95, and 2 different flat cars with Santa and his sleigh for $89.95 each. Each of the items should arrive at authorized MTH retailers between August and October 2024. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale 4-car 70-ton 3-bay hopper set in Wheeling and Lake Erie colors for Patrick's Trains. The cars will be available in 2 individual car numbers and in 2 4-car sets, each featuring 4 individually numbered cars, all produced in extremely limited quantities. The early order price is $69.99 for individual cars or $259.99 for a 4-car set. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued RailKing O-Scale FP45 diesel in Santa Fe colors for exclusive distribution by Berwyn's Toys and Trains. The locomotives will be available in 2 unique cab numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in June 2024. The early order price is $399.99. Ready-Made Trains has announced the production of new Christmas, Joy, and Noel tank cars. The cars may be ordered now at authorized RMT dealers with a suggested retail price of $34.95 each. Delivery is expected in the fall of 2024. And warm weather is approaching, so update your summer wardrobe with these licensed railroad logo t-shirts from Daylight Sales. And also visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. Also, special thanks this week for recent Super Thanks donation from viewer Richard Nelson. Remember to check out our latest long-format video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.